am Sanjay Modi from Dhanabadan, Odisha. First of all, I thank Pratap sir and PT Chemistry for his effort in lockdown. I'm always grateful to you because you are the source of inspiration for me. The way you teach helps me a lot to build a strong foundation in chemistry. Thanks sir, thanks a lot. Hey guys, please subscribe PT Chemistry on YouTube and enjoy.
Thank you Pratap sir for encourage to us to do many activity along with studies. Sir, your tricks help me a lot, especially in physical and inorganic chemistry. Please sir, keep on inspiring us. Thank you. Please subscribe the PG Chemistry and enjoy.
Hello, I'm Nitish from Jaspur, Odisha. Thanks a lot, Pratap sir, YouTube channel PT Chemistry, for helping us in this pandemic. And your representation style, your study materials and tricks of studying chemistry helps a lot to bring a strong foundation in chemistry. Thank you sir, thank you very much sir. And please subscribe PT Chemistry and enjoy.
Hi, I am Pratishavati from Kendrapada, Odisha. First of all, thanks to PT Chemistry, जे कि एमती का पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन हमको हेल्प करथिबारु. Thanks to Pratap sir, ताको ट्रिक्स और रिप्रेजेंटेशन बहुत बढ़िया, मते केमिस्ट्री बहुत हेल्प करछि. So thanks sir, thanks a lot. तो मैंने भी जदि निज केमिस्ट्री फाउंडेशन को स्ट्रांग करे पे चाहछो, then do subscribe PT Chemistry and enjoy. Thank you.
I am studying Bhadrak Junior College. Now I described by Pratap sir, who is teaching chemistry. You study are a standout teacher because of your skill dedication to your students. Especially when you teaching chemistry, you will always made extra sure that I understood the materials. Since you know it was my weakest subject, I will never forget all the fun activities. When you include in your class enhanced learning. Thank you Pratap sir, keep inspiring us. Please subscribe PD Chemistry and enjoy learning. Thank you.
I am Tanusha Sahu from Jaspur, Odisha. First of all, I want to thank Pratap sir for PT Chemistry for his effort in lockdown. I am feeling grateful to you because you are the inspiration for me. The way of you teach helps me a lot to bridge a foundation in chemistry. Thanks sir, thanks a lot. Please like, share and subscribe the channel PT Chemistry. Thank you.
Hey, it's Priyadarshini. I'm from Bhadrak Junior College. As you know, Corona pandemic is going on, so we all have to work from home. And when it comes over our studies, then we have to take online classes. During my 12th class summer, I have taken lessons from PD Chemistry, and it's Pratap sir for chemistry lessons. He's a quite thoughtful teacher who put a lot of thoughts and efforts into present the material. So, and his lessons and tricks were quite easy and engaging, which help us to cracking NEET, JEE and all competitive exams. So I would like to highly suggest him to the students who are interested in studying. Thank you. Keep subscribing PD Chemistry.
Pratap sir for supporting us in our studies. Sir, your notes and tricks help me a lot, especially in physical and inorganic chemistry. So keep inspiring us. Thank you. Please subscribe to PD Chemistry.
First of all, thank you so much Pratap sir for encouraging us to do more activity along with the studies. Your tricks are amazing, which helps me a lot, especially in the physical and inorganic chemistry. And so keep inspiring us. Thank you so much. And so guys, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel PT Chemistry and enjoy watching these videos. Thank you.
Hi guys, I am Lucky from Jaspur, Odisha. First of all, I thanks to Pratap sir for his effort in lockdown. I am always grateful to you because you are the source of inspiration for me. The way you teach helps me a lot to bridge a strong foundation in chemistry. Thanks sir, thanks a lot. Please subscribe PT Chemistry on YouTube and clarify your doubt by sitting at home during this corona situation.